The David Bain retrial has heard evidence that his sister Laniet was scared of him.
It's come from friends of Laniet who met her the day before 5 members of the Bain family were found murdered in their Dunedin home. Vicky Wilkinson-Baker's covering the trial.
She said she was scared of David.
A teacher and mentor who had a chance meeting with Laniet the day before she died.
She was very agitated and...
And what makes you say agitated? In what way? What was it about her?
Her body language, what she was saying and her voice.
She'd taught Laniet at Bayfield High School, taken her under her wing.
She said that after work David was going to collect her and take her home for a family meeting, which she said she felt scared about and she didn't want to go.
David Bain is accused of murdering all 5 members of his family at their Dunedin home in 1994. His lawyers claiming he hadn't called a meeting, that Laniet had organised to go home for dinner herself that night.
If she felt uncomfortable about going home, that does not necessarily mean that she was scared of David, does it?
Well, the impression I certainly got was that she didn't want to go home. She didn't want David to take her home.
Another witness also remembers the same conversation.
Her dislike for David and how she, you know, he's freaky or something like that, and how she was scared of him.
In all, 3 Crown witnesses recall Laniet talking about a family meeting called by David. Under cross-examination, the defence keen to point out it's difficult to remember conversations from 15 years ago.
The day after we spoke to her, she was dead. So the memory of speaking with her was much more vivid in my mind.
Several witnesses have described a troubled family, but one reluctant to share its problems. Vicky Wilkinson-Baker, One News.